How to find blocked users list on REDnote app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open REDnote app and log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen. Then you'll find settings on bottom left corner of your screen. In here, simply click on privacy settings, which is the fourth option. Then scroll all the way down till you find blocked users. Click on it and you'll find all your blocked users list in here. And that's how to find blocked users list on REDnote app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.